Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your public watch hours up. First, focus on creating content that truly resonates with your audience. Longer, more engaging videos naturally lead to increased watch time. Remember, consistency is key to building a loyal viewership. We'll dive into specific strategies to boost your visibility and keep viewers hooked, helping you reach those important milestones. To truly boost watch hours, your content needs to be captivating. Aim for videos that are at least 8 minutes long, as these often perform better in terms of watch time. Keep your audience engaged from the very beginning with a compelling hook, and maintain a steady pace throughout. Organizing your videos into playlists can also encourage viewers to watch multiple videos in one sitting, significantly increasing your total watch hours. Getting your videos seen is crucial for accumulating watch hours. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve searchability on YouTube. Don't forget to share your content across all your social media channels and in relevant online communities. Collaborating with other creators can also introduce your channel to new audiences, bringing in fresh viewers and, consequently, more watch time. Leverage YouTube analytics to understand what's working and what isn't. Pay close attention to audience retention graphs to see where viewers drop off. Identify your most popular videos and analyze their common elements to replicate that success. Finally, maintaining a consistent upload schedule is vital. Regular content keeps your audience coming back, building momentum, and steadily increasing your public watch hours over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.